Storytelling, terrific insights. Have done my research. More friendly, more respectful, more funnier without low-fall restrictions. Policy safe. Life lessons, idioms be like. 1. Look before you leap. Think first, jump second. A little planning can prevent big mistakes. 2. Actions have consequences. Every choice leaves a footprint. What you can do affect your future. 3. Slow and steady wins the race. Small steps can reach big dreams. Consistency is often better than rushing. 4. The pen is mightier than the sword. Words can change the world. Ideas and communication can be powerful. 5. Knowledge is power. Learning is your superpower. Understanding helps you make better decisions. 6. Don't bite the hand that feeds you. Appreciate those who help you. Gratitude builds strong relationships. 7. A stitch in time saves 9. Fix small problems before they become big ones. Early action can save more trouble later. 8. Don't count your chickens before they hatch. Celebrate after the finish line. Wait for the results before making assumptions. 9. Make hay while the sun shines. Grab good opportunities while they last. Use the right moment wisely. 10. Actions reveal character. Your behavior tells your story. People know you by what you do. 11. Two wrongs don't make a right. Don't add more problems to a problem. Doing wrong in return does not solve anything. 12. A comrade in need is a comrade indeed. Real comrades show up when it matters. True friendship appears during challenges. 13. United we stand, divided we fall. Together we are stronger. Teamwork helps overcome difficulties. 14. Don't cry over spilled milk. Learn, clean up, and move forward. Don't waste time on things that you cannot change. 15. The best thing in life, take your time. Awesome results need patience. Worthwhile achievements are built slowly. 16. Where there is a will, there's a way. Determination finds solutions. Strong effort can overcome obstacles. 17. Keep your chin up. Stay positive during tough times. Hope helps you keep moving forward. 18. Bend but don't break. Adapt without giving up. Flexibility helps you survive challenges. 19. Stand your ground. Respectfully protect your values. Confidence helps you stay true to yourself. 20. A diamond in the rough. Hidden greatness needs time to shine. Potential can grow with patience and effort. 21. Don't burn bridges. Keep good relationships. You never know when the paths may cross again. 22. Every mistake is a lesson. Oops, today, improvement tomorrow. Mistakes can help you grow. 23. You cannot change the past. Focus on today and build tomorrow. Growth comes from moving forward. 24. Fortune favors the bold. Courage creates opportunities. Taking a positive risk can lead to success. 25. The darkest hour is before dawn. Hard times can lead to brighter days. Difficult moments do not last forever. Kindly like, share, subscribe. Gracias.